Hi, parents and families. My name is Mrs. Limbert, and I am the second grade intervention specialist. When students come down to my room, which is located on the first floor, room 2126, they usually come right in and put any of their belongings in their cubbies. In their cubbies, I have all the supplies they might need. So your student will not need to bring anything else special to my room. There is lots of space in our classroom. We have desks, we have a large carpet area, we have the horseshoe table. The horseshoe table is really where a lot of our work is going to happen. In the classroom, we utilize the whiteboard, we utilize paper pencil tasks, we use a lot of manipulatives, we use technology, their devices, so your student will have a wide range of activities in the room. As far as classroom expectations, my rules are very similar to the classrooms. I expect students to listen the first time, be responsible, be respectful, be kind. If they follow those simple expectations, they will get to put a sticker on their chart every morning and every afternoon that they're with me. And when they complete the whole chart, they get to pick a prize from my prize box. So you may see some prizes coming home. If you need to contact me, and I really hope that you will want to contact me throughout the year, you can use the Seesaw app that our whole school is using, or you can use email. Those are the best and fastest ways to get communication back from me. You may also phone, but that does take me a little bit longer to return and get back with you. A little about me, I am starting my 26th year here at Milton-Union Elementary School, and I have been an intervention specialist that entire time. I originally am from Coldwater, Ohio. That's where I graduated high school. I went on and got my bachelor's degree in elementary education and special education at the Defiance College. And then later I got a master's degree at the University of Dayton. In 2002, I achieved national board certification. I now live in Tip City, Ohio with my husband, Eric, and our 9-year-old son, Zachary. Zachary will actually be a 4th grader here at Milton-Union this year. In my free time, I love to read, garden, travel, do crafts. My family roots for the Buckeyes and the Reds. When you come to school, students, you may see me looking like this. But this is what I look like without my mask. Can't wait to meet each and every one of you.